Hello, Paul here from Eram Automotive. Can I pass in here got this Porsche 997 Turbo that the actual hydraulic ram failed on this one here. Okay, this is the hydraulic ram leaking oil, especially on this side here. You see it there, leaking oil, causing the actual rear spoiler to display faulty rear spoiler faults. I just finished installing the actual Eram kit. This one here. So run all the wiring nice and neat, all behind there, as you can see, everything nice and neat here, all around here, at the bottom there. There, had to run the wire across there into here, behind there, cable tie the rear wiring behind this here as well, make it nice and neat, and that way it's actually just a bit nicer, all tight. Let's make sure this is all tight as well. That's tight. That one's tight. Everything is good. So now, this is how it sits on the car. Here. It's going to go inside the car now and activate the spoiler. Ignition on. Pretty much just touch it. You can hear it coming up in the back. See it there. Let's go outside, have a look. There you go. Here's the wing. Pretty nice and neat, this setup as well, so you can see it from here. Okay, let's go in here and close it. Same thing, just hold it down until you hear the motor stop. Stop. Come back here, back to normal. Alright, I'm starting to do more and more of this setup. It's pretty good, pretty cool setup as well from Eram, the Eram kit as well. So if you have a problem with the actual spoiler, don't worry about putting the actual, if you like the electronic one, give me a call. Or if you want to go back to the actual hydraulic one, I can still fit that as well. I would highly advise you guys out there with the 997, 996 turbos to get this done, get the Eram kit done. It's a much nicer. No oil leaks, nothing to worry about in the future. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.